In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude has a memory problem. If you've noticed Claude forgetting earlier parts of your conversation, mixing up details, or losing track of context mid-thread, don't worry. This is often related to how the session is loaded in your browser or to the context limits available on your current plan. I'll walk you through a quick refresh approach and then show you where to manage your plan options so Claude can maintain longer, more reliable context. Start by opening your browser and going straight to Claude IE/new. This takes you to a fresh Claude chat, which is the cleanest place to begin troubleshooting. Loading the new chat page ensures you're not carrying over any quirks from a previous session and gives Claude a stable starting point for context. If the issue is tied to a stale tab or a partially loaded page, simply landing here already puts you in a better position. Next, give the page a reload. A simple refresh reestablishes the app's live connection, clears temporary hiccups, and ensures the interface has the latest updates. Especially if Claude seemed to stop remembering mid-conversation, a reload can restore expected behavior by resetting the active state of the thread without changing your account or settings. Think of it as a light reset that doesn't erase your content but helps the app resync properly. If reloading doesn't fully resolve the memory issue, look to your account settings. Click the profile icon at the bottom left. This opens your account menu where you manage preferences, billing, and plan options. Accessing this menu is helpful because Claude's ability to handle longer prompts and recall more context is closely tied to plan features, including the size of the context window available to your chats. From that menu, click on Upgrade Plan. This is where you can see what's included with each option. If you frequently work with long documents, extended conversations, or complex projects, upgrading can significantly improve how much Claude can keep in context at once. You'll get clearer, more consistent recall within a conversation, fewer cutoffs, and better continuity across longer threads. On the upgrade page, choose the plan that best fits your needs. Review the features and confirm your selection right there. Once chosen, you'll be set up with a larger context window and improved performance for memory-related scenarios. After doing these steps, opening a fresh chat, reloading, and selecting the plan that matches your workload, you should notice Claude referencing earlier details more reliably and maintaining context across longer exchanges. That's all you need to fix common memory-related issues and keep your conversations running smoothly.